It is the 9th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about Meta's fine. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, La Cour bloque le projet de salle de bal de Donald Trump. The court blocks Donald Trump's ballroom project. Next, les athlètes ont reçu leur argent. The athletes received their money. And FIFA arrête son plan de vente en Suisse. FIFA stops its sales plan in Switzerland. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Let us decode the headline word by word. Meta is the company. Écope means gets or is hit with. Shows the link to the next word. Une amende means a fine de 567 millions de dollars gives the amount. The headline uses une, the feminine form, because amende is feminine. Le juge décide une grande amende. The judge decides à large fine. Décide. The verb in today's story comes from décider, to decide. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. L'amende est très grande. The fine is very large. Amende, fine is the important noun here. More examples in the lesson sheet. L'amende est de 567 millions de dollars. The fine is $567 million. 567 millions. That is today's number. The amount is huge, and that is the key idea. Meta possède Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp et Threads. Meta owns Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Thread. Possède. Owns is the verb that tells us Meta has these apps. Le juge demande un fonds. The judge asks for a fund. Today's word is fond. Say it with me, fond. The final S is silent, so the word ends softly. Now for the pattern of the day. Je décide. Tu décides. Il décide. Nous décidons. Vous décidez. Il décide. The headline uses the il form, décide. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What did the judge order Meta to do? Is it A, pay her $567 million, acheter Threads, or C, fermer Instagram? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.